Hello everybody, it is I, Rockin166, and welcome to the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 4 Turtles in Time playthrough. Wow, that's a very long title for me to say. So yeah, we're playing what is known as the best beat-em-up game of all time. Yes. The reason why I'm doing this is because I felt like doing a game, and I heard this is the best beat-em-up game of all time, and I said, you know what, I'm test it out, so we're going to be playing this. Now, unlike my Pokemon Ruby walkthrough, this is post-commentary, because I can't do live commentary when I'm doing an SNES game. But we'll be doing it for Game Boy games. And, well, I don't really have much to say about this game. This is actually a blind playthrough. This recording I have right now is actually the first time me playing this, and I'm deciding which turtle to choose. I'm going with Leonardo because he's the most balanced in the bunch and whatnot. Okay. This is April O'Neil reporting. Oh no, Krang! Every time you hear me say Krang, hey Shredder, bring that statue back. You bloated beanbag. Well, that's a very interesting name. Big Apple, 3 a.m. Oh, I was going to say before. Every time I say Krang, I do that because I can. It's raining outside, so I might hear a little bit raindrops, but yeah. So yeah, we all play Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles in Time, Super Nintendo. Yoo-hoo! Yes, I actually tried to play this earlier with Raphael, but I said, you know what, I might as well go for the person who is better, so I decided to go for Leonardo. And I'm playing for normal mode, not hard mode, because I don't want to yet. I'll probably some way later in the year I may either redo this or add in the hard mode ending. So yeah. You know, I wonder why these are robots. These ninjas that we're fighting right now are robots, and yet they still use ninja weapons. And some of them don't even have weapons. They just like stand there and try to punch you, which is kind of stupid. Fist against swords. I wonder who will win. So yeah. This video is only the first level because I just feel like recording this. I actually am sad right now because I was originally going to record 2 episodes today, but what happened was the power went out for like a split second, and my computer turned off, and thus losing all the data for this game. So I said, you know what, I'm not going to record anymore. Well, it's a 3-day weekend for me. That means I don't have school on Monday, so I might be able to record more of this game. And more Pokemon and Sonic Advance. Yes. I'm actually saving up money to go buy Pokemon Black and White. I'm gonna go on Black. Why? Because, well, that's Super Krang. He's showing his laser. I'm gonna put it on Black because I can. And why am I saying this to you guys? I don't think none of you guys. Heck, I think no one even watches my LPs. Don't know what that was. I'm getting my butt kicked, and I almost die in this level. But luckily, there was a pizza. Pizzas restore your health, by the way. Mentioning it out. I probably would have died if I wasn't doing that little shaking the guy thing. But I luckily got saved because the animation does not hurt you. I'm like, oh my gosh, pizza. So I beat these guys up first, get the pizza, and start fighting again. And it would have been cool. It was lucky I did it now because I just got hit in the back by one of the white guys. No racism intended. Okay, so I think, yeah, we're at the boss, and for some reason the boss didn't appear now, so I had to jump. See? What is it? Terminate the turtles! Look at how he shot me right in the arm. And see, I'm spazzing out in the air. Attack him! Kick you in the face, beating you up. At least this guy only has like certain attacks. How many, I think there's like 10 stages in the game. Beat him up! Yeah! Ow. Didn't I get hit there? I'm not sure. But kick! They all use melee attacks, they let me use guns. Oh, I beat him up, and he's dead! I'm running around. What? Cowabunga! We'll see you next time, guys, when we take on Stage 2.